How to change administrator on Facebook group. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups as shown. Tap and open any group from here. Over here, tap on Manage. Scroll down to the Tool Shortcuts section and go to People. Here, you can view all the members of the group. If you want to make someone the admin from here, then tap on the three dots beside their name. Then, tap on Invite as admin. Tap on Send Invitation to invite them to be a group admin. Once they accept the invitation, they will be able to edit group settings, remove members, and give other members admin status. Following these steps, you can easily change administrator on Facebook group.